Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO X60 Pro. Today I'll show you how to use Google Maps offline. Firstly, enter Google Maps. Tap button in the right corner and go to Offline Maps. Now select your own map and adjust the area you want to download. For example, right here. Download it. And now enter the map. We can turn off Wi-Fi and tap on any area you want to go, for example here. Tap on directions. Let's choose our location and start. As you can see, we are offline and we can navigate offline. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.